more than 3,000 U.S. soldiers and Marines arrive in Middle East with USS Bataan and USS Carter Hall, 3,000 U.S. Navy and Marine Corps personnel from the Bataan Amphibious Ready Group, ARG, and the 26th of Marine Expeditionary Unit, MEU, arrived in the Middle East as part of a previously announced deployment by the U.S. Department of Defense. The deployment is intended to strengthen the U.S. military presence in a dynamic and strategically challenging region. Their arrival was marked by the entry of the amphibious assault ship USS Bataan, LHD-5, and the landing ship dock USS Carter Hall, LSD-50, into the Red Sea after sailing from the Mediterranean Sea and navigating the Suez Canal, one of the world's busiest and most strategic sea lanes. The ships bring additional air and sea power, as well as combat personnel, enhancing the operational flexibility and maritime capabilities of the U.S. Navy's 5th Fleet Command. As a WASP-class amphibious assault ship, the USS Bataan is capable of carrying more than 24 combined aircraft, both rotary and fixed-wing. This includes the MV-22B Osprey aircraft, a multi-role tiltrotor aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing, and the AV-8B Harrier II fighter aircraft, renowned for its vertical short takeoff and landing (VSTOL) capabilities. In addition, the ship is also capable of carrying a number of amphibious landing vehicles to support coastal landing operations. Meanwhile, the USS Carter Hall, as a dock landing ship, has the ability to support helicopter operations, tactical combat vehicles, and other amphibious landing equipment, including the Landing Craft Air Cushion, LCAC, a hovercraft vehicle that allows for rapid transport from ship to shore. ARG Bataan departed from the Navy base in Norfolk, Virginia, on the 10th of July, carrying supporting elements such as Amphibious Squadron 8, Fleet Surgical Team 8, Tactical Air Control Squadron 21, Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron 26, Assault Craft Unit 4, Beachmaster Unit 2, and of course the primary combat unit, the 26th MEU. The 26th of Marine Expeditionary Unit, MEU, headquartered at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, is a highly flexible and combat-ready expeditionary unit. The MEU is capable of conducting amphibious assault missions, crisis response, and limited contingency operations. They also have the capability to facilitate the arrival of follow-on forces and support assigned special operations. A MEU typically consists of 1 Marine Infantry Battalion, 1 Combat Aircraft Squadron, and 1 Combat Logistics Unit, allowing them to conduct joint operations from sea to land quickly. The deployment is overseen by the U.S. 5th Fleet, whose operational area encompasses more than 2.5 million square miles of waters, including the Arabian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, Red Sea, portions of the Indian Ocean, and includes 3 of the world's most important maritime choke points: the Strait of Hormuz, the Suez Canal, and the Bab al-Mandeb Strait. This region is critical to global trade routes and is a frequent site of geopolitical tensions, both due to regional conflicts and threats to freedom of navigation. The presence of the Bataan ARG and 26th MEU provides the United States with a strategic advantage in its ability to respond quickly to situations, whether for humanitarian assistance, non-combatant evacuations, counter-terrorism operations, or small-scale offensive operations. By bringing air, sea, and land forces into one integrated amphibious task force, this presence demonstrates the U.S.'s continued commitment to regional stability and security. In a changing global context and increasing maritime security challenges, forces such as the ARG, MEU remain vital instruments of U.S. foreign policy. With its combination of combat capability, high mobility, and direct presence in potential conflict areas, this force represents a form of modern military diplomacy where presence means deterrence and readiness means peace.